number one mistake that people make on Turo is not taking enough pictures. That's the biggest mistake I've seen. I'm a Turo Paros. I've been doing this for multiple years. And when you don't take enough pictures, if something happens when your car is stolen, if someone smokes in your car even, and you don't have proof that your car was clean before, tough luck, Chuck. It's not going to happen. You can't prove it. The less pictures you take, the less you can prove. So my rule of thumb, I take anywhere from 100 to typically 150 pictures all over the car, all inside the car, under the car, above the car, all different angles. The less pictures you take, or if you forget to take pictures, it's going to hurt you in the long run. That's the biggest mistake I've seen. Hosts don't take enough pictures or don't take pictures. Very bad. Or they take pictures that are over 24 hours old. Maybe they're lazy, or maybe they're trying to be smart and like, hey, let me take a picture 2 days before. These are often time stamped and Turo can find out. And if they find out that it was before 24 hours, it could actually invalidate your claim. Don't do it. Make sure your pictures are taken within 24 hours, and also make sure you take as many pictures as possible inside and outside the car so you protect yourself if something goes wrong. Like, subscribe, share. If you found value, subscribe to the channel. Carl, out. Peace.